Not this one. That one. Oh, no, no, no. 4. One of this, and then one of the black ones. Wow. This sounds good. So we're gonna put that song again, okay, guys? Pretty hard this one, man. Quanto tempo já? Já na hora, né? Yeah, that's the new songs. Those are I have a band with my brothers, right? We have about 4 albums out, then we have 3 more to come. Make sure to, double check the YouTube channel. We have a bunch of videos, a bunch of music, Make sure to follow our work. Hope you guys like it. A minha história que vou deixar marcado. You see how it looks like now? Start to get some. Yeah, Jess, that's cool. I just dropped a new music video today. Called Forever. Now make sure you dig around and see the work. Take it easy. They say this one is a little fat one, Got it. And then it's gonna be on the red one. So there's only one. And then another on the red one. Opa. That's another one. got what you need, it come home now. Dia minha gata me falou. Dia minha gata me mostrou. Dia minha gata me falou que a gente vai se ver. Cause you know you're coming with me. But you know I'm right here. Check out the progress. Start to get shape, right? Looks like this one is the Formula 1 model. Because I think you can pick both of the models, the Formula 1 and the audio, but looks like, and then it's assorted. Because on the box they say, oh, you can pick it up the Formula 1 or you can pick it up the audio. So you pick it up the Formula 1 thing. See? So that you guys see the shape of it. Pretty go. Oh, probably you can be both of them. Oh man, this is the audio, guys. My bad. Ooh. Okay, fair enough. Hold on. Okay. Ooh. Inspiração. Tudo aquilo que a vida me mostrou. Pra chegar. Vamos ver. Eu quero é você. Eu não. Inspiração, tudo aquilo que a vida me mostrou, e ela veio pra chegar onde vai. Eu quero é você. Salva-me, família. Eu quero é você pra sempre na minha vida. Oh, they say you're gonna need to kind of maybe this. Inspiração. Pra algum lugar. liberdade, inspiração, tudo aquilo que a vida me mostrou, e ela veio pra chegar. Because I guess that's cool.
Querendo uma vida boa, de bobeira ou à toa. Vamos viver, ganhar dinheiro, pensar em você. E todo dia amanhecer pra quê? Acordar do seu lado. Hoje eu quero ter todo dia na minha vida.
Hoje eu quero ver nossos sonhos se tornar realidade, pode crer. E ela quer virar. Quero até te ver e poder perceber que um sonho me anima,
que você é só minha. E poder te falar que essa é minha vida. E todo dia amanhecer pra quê? Acordar do seu lado. Hoje eu quero ter todo dia na minha vida. Hoje vamos ver nossos sonhos tornar realidade, pode crer. Ela quer brisar, vamos pensar no mar.
quero até te ver e poder perceber
Que o sonho me anima, que você é só minha. E poder te falar que essa é minha vida. Querendo uma vida boa.
look like how it's gonna be now already. Start to get some shape, huh? So now I'm gonna need those two bang. Okay. I think it's this one. No, it's 4. So they say turn this and then do this. And then over here is the same way. Okay, and then they say, put the blue one too. So like this, you're gonna put one like this.
Come with me, then you know you gotta go into the mood. Nobody can stop how you move. Left or right, up or down, and that's your time. Come with me, then you know you gotta go into the flow. Nobody can stop.
See the build?
I got you, baby. When you come around, what is it that you need? All my life, I've been making my choice that you get this time. And me, the things that I need. What you gotta lose, nobody can stop. It's a stage, you gotta be patient. Take your time to learn that thing and motivation. Don't let it down, as I pull you up into the sky. With this stars, we shining bright. In the day or in the night,
You might just find yourself.
cause nobody can stop. Make your choice, believe in yourself. Your time you come, you know the truth.
Being working out, you can achieve whatever you need you to. Oh boy. Oh. Right? See? So I'm just gonna go over here and then see now, guys. Now you close both sides, huh? Nice. So they would ask for just for this, bang it. Now, 2 baby ones and 1 of those. Okay. Got it. But it looks like I want to have child in here. I'm not coming too much. Oh no, they actually safe to put like this, huh? Okay. We lose the stick, guys. So they say for us to cover this, but now I don't know. And then over here they're showing up take it off those on show. Okay. I don't know. Looks like I lost a few pieces of it. Probably I lost one little bag. No. See? Que nessa vida quero você até o final, yaô. Não é que eu quero mais, eu vim correr atrás. I think we're gonna wrap it up for today. So this is gonna be, so you're building 1 hour, right? So that's the where you're gonna stop. See you guys, almost there, and you come back for the next round later. Okay, I'm gonna mark this page, right? And then I see you guys around. Take it easy.